In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Notion page for your novel. If you want a single place to plan, organize, and write your story, Notion can be a really useful tool. The goal is to build a workspace that keeps your ideas clear and easy to access, so you can spend less time searching for notes and more time actually writing. Start by creating a main Notion page dedicated to your novel. This will act as your writing dashboard or home base for everything related to the project. Give it a title that matches your book or working draft, and think of this page as the central hub you'll return to throughout the writing process. Next, add clear sections for the major parts of your novel planning. Include areas for plot, characters, chapters, world building, and research. These sections make it much easier to separate your ideas and avoid clutter. For example, plot notes can stay focused on the overall story, while world building can hold details about locations, rules, history, or culture. Keeping these categories distinct helps you stay organized as your draft grows. After that, create a chapter database to organize each part of the story. This is especially helpful if your novel has many scenes, shifting timelines, or multiple points of view. A database allows you to see your chapters in one place and track the structure of your manuscript more efficiently. Inside that chapter database, add properties like chapter number, status, word count, and notes. These details help you monitor where each chapter stands. Status can show whether a chapter is outlined, in progress, or complete. Word count gives you a simple way to measure pacing and productivity, and notes can be used for reminders, revisions, or scene ideas. You'll also want to create character pages for background, personality, and role in the story. This keeps your cast consistent and prevents small details from getting lost. You can use each page to store character history, motivations, relationships, and anything else that helps you write them more clearly and consistently. Then add research notes and inspiration links. This is a great way to keep reference material nearby, whether it relates to historical details, setting ideas, visual inspiration, or anything else supporting your story. Having these materials in the same workspace can save time and reduce distractions. Once your setup is ready, begin writing or outlining each chapter inside Notion. You can keep things simple with rough summaries or go deeper with full drafts. The important thing is that each chapter has its own place within your system. Finally, review your progress regularly and update your writing plan. As your story changes, your Notion workspace should change with it. A quick review every so often can help you stay focused, adjust your goals, and keep your novel moving forward.